a long bolt of energy. I think it's pure too. Pure energy. It's amazing. Since there's a bunch of forest over there, you would think that some of those trees would be, the taller ones at least, would be knocked down at least. Hope any birds don't get shocked. I got a little wet. It's raining a little. One second. Hopefully the car doesn't yell at me. Okay, then. Or are my eyes playing tricks on me, or did I see another bolt? Not like coming down, but like in the sky. Like 10 seconds ago. Oh my gosh, it's raining. It's pouring. Oh man. Car, why did you shock me? Man, I wish Grandma's house was over here. That way we would have a better view of the lightning whenever there's a thunderstorm. Ooh, did you hear that? I just saw something. Maybe lightning. Maybe my eyes are playing tricks on me. I think I might have saw it. If you multiply the speed of the fastest plane on Earth by 49, you would make it only slightly faster than a lightning bolt.